Hi, so my name's Keith Mueller. I'm the Chair of Hospitality and Culinary Arts at Conestoga College, and it's my great pleasure to introduce you to the programs that we offer and to tell you a little bit about what we do. It's a very popular program for us, and students find employment in all areas of the hospitality and food industry, everything from small bake shops to large hotels, where they can create all the delicious desserts that we all enjoy so much. Besides baking and pastry arts, we also have culinary management, which is a 2-year diploma program, and students go on to great careers locally or internationally and learn so much from what they do here in the program and wherever they choose to travel and whatever they choose to do there. Anything from a line cook to a sous chef to an executive chef to a hotel chef, banquet chef. The opportunities are endless. And also for travel purposes, you can take your skills wherever you go. Hotel and restaurant management is another program that we offer, and here we'll teach you how to manage hotels, how to manage small businesses, how to manage restaurants and bars. Event management is another one of our programs which looks at how do you go about planning large events, how do you go about staging events and all the different components of it, anything from a sporting event to a large dinner function for 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 people, or even music events are all part of teaching in that program. The uniqueness about the school here is the fact that we're a smaller, more boutique style school, so it's very intimate. It's one-on-one with all of your professors. You're not in a large school with thousands of students, which gives you the hands-on training that's going to make you successful. All our faculty and professors are internationally trained. We have a pastry chef that used to be a pastry chef in Dubai. She was trained in Austria, brings all of her skills to the students here. As well as we have some French chefs that were trained in Europe. We have local Canadian chefs that are very focused on local sustainable food and food systems. We also have a full-service industry-style restaurant which is open to the public for lunches and dinners, and that's where our students work. That's where they get to practice their skills, they get to serve in the front of house, they get to serve live customers. The menus change seasonally, so it's always fresh, it's always new. So in our programs, we give students as much exposure as we can to the industry. In their final semester of culinary management, as well as hotel and restaurant management, they have a capstone project where students have to prepare an event and present it to the industry, where we invite the industry partners in to come and see the talent of the future and come and literally pick the best of the best that they want to employ. If you're considering an exciting career in hospitality and culinary arts, this is the place to be. You've got to come here, and we'll be expecting you.